Looking for a decent laptop in the price range of 40k? Asus vivobook 14. This laptop is powered with AMD Ryzen 5 with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD storage. Let's get into the unboxing and a detailed review right away. Now, if you're watching this channel for the first time, hit subscribe and press the bell icon.
Hey, that's cute. The box opens in that and stays in that slightly inclined position. Asus going this extra mile in designing this box definitely makes you feel wow. The laptop design looks neat with that Asus logo on top of it. It goes well with the color. Impressive design with good quality plastic body.
Now this is a compact laptop. To get an idea, comparing with an HP EliteBook of 14 inches display, now they are identical in the length and breadth is less. Now this is a MacBook Pro of 13 inches. Here we see the breadth is same and a little lengthier, which is, considering the MacBook is of 13 inches, pretty good. The charger comes with this laptop is the standard one. It doesn't have C-type, and also it's combined with an adapter which can pump 45 watts.
The slots, the charging slot and one HDMI slot, then one USB 3.1 slot, a USB 3.1 which is Type C, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The Type C charging is not supported here. On the other side there's a micro SD card reader and a USB 2.0 slot, and then one Kensington lock which is used to secure laptops to a desk or table. The charging indicator is here, but this slot for charging is on the other side. At least one more USB 3.0 port was needed. The display just opens up to around 120 degrees, which is just enough for a normal sitting position. Ergo lift hinge feature is cool. It lifts the laptop base by 2 degrees, which is good for cooling and also convenient for typing. Super thin bezels around the display gives it a modern look. Memory and storage. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, in which 2 GB will be used for the graphics processor. Remaining 6 GB is available for use. The 8 GB consists of 2 modules of 4 GB RAM. One is soldered to the motherboard and the other one can be upgraded to an 8 GB module. Hence the maximum RAM storage we can upgrade it to is 12 GB, in which 10 GB will be usable, excluding 2 GB for the graphics. The storage is a 512 GB NVMe M2 SSD. Thanks to the NVMe, the PC boots up in seconds. There is a 2.5-inch SATA slot for an additional hard disk storage. The display is decent with average picture quality and viewing angles. This is a TN display with anti-glare and not an IPS one. Thin bezels around the display, it looks classy. The left or right viewing angles are okay, but the top or bottom is clearly bad. Performance wise, it was a good decision to go with the Ryzen processors. Ryzen 5 second generation processors are comparable to Intel i5 8th generation with a better price point and a better graphics processor. The trackpad just works fine, also with the normal gesture supports. The chiclet style keyboard. This is a backlighted keyboard in this price range. It's quite easy to type with a key travel of 1.3 mm. The fans. The laptop is normally silent. Ergo lift hinge definitely helps in the cooling part. But I tried some editing. During that time the fan was running full speed. Charging. Company claimed fast charging is in 49 minutes 60% charge. It took me a little more than 2 hours to charge it completely, and the battery backup is just average. It lasts around 4 hours in normal use. With the lowest brightness settings, you may get up to 5 hours. It's got a fingerprint scanner.
Here the web camera module is placed just above the display on the top bezels. However, the camera quality is mediocre. This is how the image output looks like. The camera is claimed to be a 720p one, but the image quality looks to be way below that.
Couple of things I don't find it really interesting in this laptop. One is display. Combined with the bad viewing angles on the top and bottom, display becomes just average. The display fold of around 120 degrees is not really adequate. If you're sitting, it is okay, but in any other position, it's very difficult to adjust. Now, second thing is the battery. It doesn't seem like a fast charging adapter. It takes a minimum of 2 hours, and if you're working, it goes up. And the backup is just around 4 hours if you adjust the brightness settings. If you are a power user, expect around 3 hours. Third one, the web camera is just poor. Also, it doesn't have the sliding bar to turn off the camera if you are not using it for safety reasons. It's missing. If you are concerned about safety, you may have to use a sticky note. And then I'd have appreciated a Type-C charging enabled slot and one more USB 3.0 slot. Coming to the final opinion. Who is this for? An office, home, student user. It offers great portability. As you've seen, the size of the laptop is comparable to a MacBook Pro. So super easy to put it in a backpack and travel. Also adequate for average power users and not for serious gamers. I'll drop the links to this product in the description below. Now we have done a review of MI Notebook 14 recently. I'll link it in the descriptions below, or you can click it here. You can check that out as well if you are considering to buy a laptop in this price range. If you find the video useful, like the video, share it. Also, do subscribe to the channel for similar content. Alright, see you in another video. Bye bye.